Welcome back to English Stories in 3 times. We'll talk about a busy Sunday. This is lesson 3 in our series, but each lesson stands on its own. Remember, don't learn by memorizing grammar rules. We learn by listening, noticing patterns, and repeating. So go back to lesson 1 and 2 and repeat the verbs. Before we start, please turn on the captions. You'll see the verbs in capital letters and in different spelling according to the different times. Listen for how they change. Look at how the spelling change when the story moves through different times. A busy weekend. On Saturday, I run in the park. I always run in the park. Then I write in my diary. In the afternoon, I play football. In the evening, I cut vegetables for dinner. Past tense. Last Saturday, what did you do? Last Saturday, I ran in the park. Then I wrote in my diary, and in the afternoon, I played football. In the evening, I cut vegetables for dinner. This month, I have run. Oops. The wind is very strong. This month, I have run in the park many times. I have written in my diary almost every day. I have played football with my friends, and I have cut vegetables for family dinners. So I've told you my Saturday routine. Same Saturday, but in 3 times. Notice how the verbs shift or not shift. So here, cut, cut, cut. Cut doesn't shift. The others do. And watch how they shift. Have you run this week? Have you run? I'm asking you, have you? I have. I've run this week twice. Have you? No, I haven't. I have not run this week. Actually, I ran yesterday morning. I also ran this morning. In fact, I always run on weekends. That's very healthy. I always do my running. I always run. Have you written in your diary today? Yes, I have written 1 page. No, I haven't written. I wrote 2 pages yesterday. This morning, I've written one, but yesterday I wrote two. In fact, I try to always write in my diary. I always write in my diary. Have you played football this week? Yes, I've played football with my friends this week. Actually, yesterday I played with my friends. I played football yesterday. In fact, I always play football on Saturdays. I always play football on Saturdays. Now, cut, cut, cut. Have you cut vegetables today? Yes, I've cut some carrots today. Yesterday, I also cut some carrots and I cut onions yesterday. In fact, I always cut vegetables to prepare dinner. I always cut. Now, some questions that you can answer. I won't give you the answer, you can answer them. When do you usually run? When do you usually run? What do you usually write about in your diary? What do you usually write about? What games do you usually play? What games do you always play? What vegetables do you usually cut? What vegetables do you usually cut? That's the present. Always usual. You keep doing it all the time. Present. The past. Where did you run yesterday? Where did you run yesterday? I ran in the park yesterday. I ran on the beach yesterday. So every day you run at different places. See that? I ran on the beach. I ran on the park. Every day I run. Every day I run different places. What did you write yesterday? What did you write? Oh, I wrote something. What sport did you play last Saturday? What sport did you play? Did you play football? Did you play table tennis? What did you cut for dinner last night? What did you cut? I usually cut carrots, but yesterday I cut tomatoes. Same word, cut and cut. Have you run in the park this week? Have you run? Have you run in the park this week? Yes, I've run in the park. Have you written anything today? I have written something today. I have written something today. Have you played football this week? No, I haven't played football this week. Have you cut vegetables for dinner recently? Have you? Have you cut recently? Yes, I have cut vegetables for dinner recently. So see the pattern. Usually is present, yesterday is past, this week or today or this morning is perfect. Say it with me. I have run, I have written, I have played, I have cut. That's lesson 3. A busy Saturday. 3 lessons, 3 stories, 12 verbs, and 1 clear pattern across time. Have you seen a peacock before? Have you seen a peacock before? There's one behind me. Can you see it? Can you see it? See you next time.